Hi folks, and welcome to March and Schick Happens. It's Sunday, so it's actually still February, but tomorrow's the first day of March. This weekend flew by. We had a lot of tiny little projects that we worked on. We were blessed to get some warm weather this weekend. It was actually in the 50s, both yesterday and today, and a lot of the snow melted. There's still a lot here, but it's just nice knowing that spring's right around the corner, and we took advantage of the decent weather and just did a bunch of little things that needed to get done. As a matter of fact, for the last couple weeks, I really haven't filmed anything, or not much of anything. I did spend some time out in the blind, getting some nice footage of wildlife, but as far as for vlogs or projects or things that are happening around here at Schick Happens, I just haven't had the camera out. Plus we've been pretty busy at work. Last weekend I did have a huge group of guys out here, and we got all of our deer meat processed. Through the hunting season, as we get deer, we'll get them cleaned, deboned, bagged, and put in the freezer, and then we usually pick a weekend in February where they take everything out of the freezer, bring it over here, and we spend 2 days processing. And that's what we did last weekend, and I didn't film any of it. I had thought about doing a jerky video, how I make pressed jerky. I just never got the camera out. I also think in a couple previous videos I mentioned I was going to slow down a little bit on videos, and I'm to the point now where, at least for a stretch here, you'll probably just see a video every Friday from me, unless I can squeeze up a quick vlog on a Monday or Tuesday. I still enjoy making videos, don't get me wrong. There's just a lot of other things going on right now, and I just need to slow down a little bit. I'm burning at both ends of the candle, and I need to regroup, let spring get here, and really get back into the video making. One thing I am excited about as far as videos go is I reached out to 8 other YouTube channels recently, and I'm going to put together kind of a pretty neat video where all 8 of these channels are involved. It'll be basically an 8-channel collaboration. I kind of told them what I wanted to do. They were all on board. I have everything in place, and I finally started piecing this video together. It's just going to take me forever to do, but I'm hoping by the end of this week it'll be done and I can get it posted. I'm sure some of you are wondering, hey, what happened to the Schickster? And I could tell you the Schickster's still around. I just haven't seen him for a while. A few weeks ago, or a couple weeks ago, I know he took an excursion out in the woods for a week. And during that time frame is when we got some really heavy snowstorms. Now I know he made it back because the other day I was reviewing some security footage from the back of our house here, the back deck there, and he showed up. Here, let me roll that clip. So like I said, the Schickster is back. I'm just not sure how soon you're going to see him on the channel here. But I would imagine it'll probably be within the next couple weeks or so. Well, I know this is going to be a short update vlog video, but I did want to get something up in between my next video. Like I said, I've just been extremely busy. I haven't had the camera out like I normally do, but I thought, you know, I better get something up. So there's not a lot of meat and potatoes with us. Matter of fact, it's real low on meat and skimpy on the potatoes. But I just thought I'd give you a quick update here. And until next time, cheers.